Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So last video we did something with Lucky Blocks, and this time we are doing something with a mod. It's called an identity mod. So yeah, basically you can disguise or something else. If I just press G on my keyboard, I get a whole list of mobs I can disguise as. So for example, if I just decide to become a cow, I look like this and my hearts also change. Yeah, so I look exactly like one, and my hearts also change like to the hearts of a cow. Okay. So today we're just gonna look at the mobs which have abilities. I mean, like cows, they don't have any abilities. You can just walk, and yeah, they don't have any abilities. You have a milk ability though in a cow, like, but most of them you can just just move around, and yeah, nothing much happens. Yeah, you can just drink milk as a cow. But we are gonna be looking at cool abilities, like the bat might have 3 hearts, but it can fly in survival. Yeah, it's very cool. Okay, but the health is kind of low though. So a bee again, it can fly. You can see it can another mob which can fly, but has more hearts. Okay, now the blaze. This is interesting because this one has a proper ability. I can press R to shoot a fireball, and the cooldown is fast. So I can't just spam fireballs. You can see on the bottom right of my screen there's a cooldown. Yeah, that's the blaze. And okay, now let's become a cave spider. So this is a cave spider, and now this has an ability. Firstly you can climb walls. That's an ability. And when you hit something, they get poisoned, just like a cave spider poisons. Um, yeah, that's an ability of a cave spider. Now chicken. So chicken, well, again less hearts, but it has slow falling. So if you're falling high, you won't take any fall damage. And yeah, that doesn't have any other abilities. So now these are the fish, and fish, well, it needs water desperately, or else you can see those bubbles and it will drown. And yeah, you can still go very fast in water as a fish. So yeah, that's a motivated life for the fish. Okay, so we already saw the cow. Now let's see the creeper, which is again probably one we were waiting for. And now if I use this ability, the mob just explodes. The one which I'm in front of, or like the mob which is in front of me, just explodes. No blast damage, nothing gets destroyed, and I don't die. So yeah, this happens. And sometimes it doesn't die if it has lots of resistance, and yeah, just like the iron golem, I can't one shot it. So um, yeah. So let's see what other mobs there are. Well, we already saw the fish, so that's why I'm not showing the dolphin again. And donkey also just looks normal like this, and it has, wow, lots of hearts. It has drowned. Now undead mobs, these drown. So yeah. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, elder guardian. Wow, again, this is a mob that can drown. I'm on fire, but the moment I touch water, it gets fine. And yeah, now ender dragon. Now again, you're probably waiting for this. So yeah, this looks really cool. I just press R and it'll shoot a fireball which does lots of damage, as you can see. It's still very big, has lots of hearts, but I die to myself. Sometimes that can also happen, so be careful if you are an ender dragon. So let's see. Now we have Enderman. Well, its main ability is to teleport, but the cooldown is really long. And I mean, it can pick up blocks. I mean, you can't. Yeah, you can visually see the block. Yeah, that probably, it's cool. It has lots of hearts, and you can use it to teleport wherever you want. Same goes with the Endermite. It's very small, but you can still teleport. So yeah, Evoker again, it's normal, nothing much. Just has more hearts. Okay, Fox again. This doesn't have many abilities, but it's a small mob. If you're holding an item, you can see it in the fox's mouth. That's also really cool. Now the Ghast, a very big mob, surprisingly has very less hearts. Only 5 hearts. But the good thing is that if I press R, I can shoot a fireball, And yeah, it's really cool. And the cooldown is also not so well. It's not too bad. Also, I can just do that and yeah, kill any entities I want. So zombie, it's a giant, not a zombie this time. So I'm just gonna quickly go to the water in case I start. Yeah, in case I start burning, which doesn't seem like giant zombies burn, does it? No, it doesn't. Okay. So now it's a giant. It normally you can spawn this with commands and it doesn't have AI, but if you are a giant, then yeah, lots of footsteps below you and you have lots of hearts. Hard to kill as well, but it doesn't do anything. Guardian, yeah, it's normal again. You need to get in the water to be safe. Illusioner, now it's a new mob, but it doesn't have any abilities. It just has lots of hearts, but doesn't have any abilities. Iron Golem. Okay, now this one. Now, if I do this, it seems like I'm going after you. If I just sprint. But if I... Wow, that Iron Golem wants to attack. Okay. So, if I just... instead of moving so fast and it's glitching the game, I'm just gonna disguise as one again. First, let me just kill this Iron Golem. There we go. So, you can see it's very strong also. Even with its fist, without any weapon, these mobs are very strong. Yeah, some glitch is going on right now. I am just going to disguise again. So yeah, if I just sneak walk, it just looks like I'm walking normally. If I press sneak, and yeah, I have lots of hearts as well. I'm going to again make it day. So yeah, now llama, well, has lots of hearts. The ability is that I can spit and does very less damage, but still very cool. Okay, magma cube. The bad thing is that this has really low health. And yeah, you can see my health is turned to half a heart, which means the magma cube has not much health. So yeah, this is a tiny magma cube. Now, okay, so now again it's a mule. Again, doesn't have any abilities. I'm just gonna give myself regeneration so that I can get myself back to full health. There we go, that was satisfying. Okay, so yeah, again these mule and mushroom, these don't have any abilities. Let's just see the mushroom. No, the mushroom also doesn't have any abilities. So panda, it's big and sometimes can get annoyed. You can't fit through one block gaps. You have to dig. Yeah, you have to make it 2 by 2 like this. Then only you can fit. So that's why sometimes it can be annoying if you are a panda. Okay, now parrots again, low health, but you can still fly very fast. Next one. Okay, yeah, this is good. Well, in the night, but you're gonna die as a phantom in daytime. There you can see I'm dying again. And surprisingly, they do well underwater. You can see they're moving really fast. Flying underwater. Okay, so again, now we have Piglin. So, well, just because I'm in the overworld, I'm shaking when I don't really zombify. So, yeah, that's cool. But a very cool part is that if I just give myself gold ingots, maybe let's just take random amount, and then if I hold this in my offhand, looks like that I'm well trading, and then I can just throw more stuff, and yeah, it looks like I'm trading. That's really cool. It only works if I hold it in my offhand. If I hold it in my main hand, it doesn't work. Okay, so Piglin done. Piglin Brute. It again doesn't have any abilities, still lots of hearts. That's probably the good thing. Pillager, well, looks like an armless pillager. If I just give myself a crossbow and let's just give some arrows. And yeah, it now looks like I'm a pillager and I can shoot. Has hearts also, 12 hearts it has. That's also a good thing. Okay, so we are nearly getting to the end. Polar bear again doesn't have any abilities. Pufferfish, well, it's like the fish, only you have to get under the water. And Ravager, wow, okay, so this has lots of hearts. And now this time I am the Ravager. In the previous video, well, you know, this time I'm the Ravager and I can like one shot with my fist also without any weapons. Imagine how powerful this will be. if I had a sharpness 5 weapon. Now again, Shulker looks like a box, but unfortunately, it'll be really cool if they add some levitation bullets as an ability, but unfortunately no. Skeleton burns in the daylight. That's clear. Okay. Skeleton horse, slime. Don't know how I died. It's a glitch probably. Yeah. Sometimes there's a glitch also. This has happened to me before also. So yeah, a slime and magma cube have a glitch. Remember that. Snow golem. Now these have an ability to throw snow. Lots of snowballs actually. Even though it does very less damage, the cooldown is a lot. I mean not lot, but it's good. The cooldown. And spider. Okay, doesn't have 10 hearts, but it can climb walls, and those hands look really creepy for some. You can climb walls like this, and yeah, that's the spider's ability. And I'm on half a heart as well. So now Strider, well, it takes damage from water, but if I just, it can walk on lava. That's really cool, just like usually Striders do. So yeah, I'm not gonna fall in the lava. Instead, I can walk really fast on it. If I do make a big lava pool, which I'm not gonna do right now. So yeah, you can walk really fast on lava pools if you're a strider. Trader llama. Now wandering traders carry this. This unfortunately again doesn't do anything. So let's continue. Tropical fish. It's like the normal fish. Turtle has lots of hearts. This is how the hand looks like, and surprisingly not that slow. Under the water, it's, well, player swimming speed, I'd say, for the turtle. So yeah, again, doesn't have many abilities. Now the Vex, well, might be surprised, but yeah, it doesn't have a face. It can fly, but just doesn't have a face. So yeah, that's very weird to see that a Vex doesn't have a face. Anyway, let's continue. Vindicator again doesn't have any abilities. So let's move on to the witch, and we died again. Okay, so the witch, the ability it has is that it can throw potions, but unfortunately the cooldown is really bad. You can see I need to wait a lot before I can throw more potions. It throws instant damage, slowness, weakness, and poison potions. So yeah, that's good. But just the bad thing is I have to wait a lot before I can, yeah, do it again. So we are on to the Wither boss. So again, this has a big cooldown, but it's worth it probably because everything you hit gets withered and takes blast damage also. If I just aim correctly, yeah, it gets withered and yeah, dies. And it can fly also and has lots of health. Good thing. Wither skeleton. Okay, so well, I don't have my stone sword, but if I just punch, the animal gets withered. That's a very cool ability as well. So now the wolf may not have abilities, but not this might be cool. If I press shift, I'm sitting. Yeah, that's really cool. So now let's move on to the next one, which is Zoglin is just a zombified hoglin. When a hoglin comes into the overworld, it becomes a Zoglin. So villagers are sometimes scared of the mobs which attack them, but I'm not attacking. So again, zombie looks like this and it burns in the daylight as well. There we go. Okay, I don't want to burn. Yeah, not burning now. Okay, so what else is left? We've done most of them. The zombified piglins are gonna be our last one. So normally holds a gold sword. I'm just gonna give myself a a golden underscore sword. Then yeah, looks like a zombified piglin. Yeah. So yeah, that's basically all the morphs there are for this mod. But there's a command also. Like you're probably wondering in survival, like there's a way to get all of this apart. Like when you don't have to kill the mobs, all you have to do is slash identity grant and then your name, then everything. Then you get all the identities available, and If I just press controls, you can see this thing comes, open identity menu. I just changed it to G. You can change it to whatever I want, whatever you want. And use an identity ability is R. So like if I, let's say if I'm a ghast and if I press R, a fireball gets shot. So yeah, that is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and also don't forget to leave a comment below video idea, and I am going to give you a shout out if that video is made. And please consider subscribing and liking the video if you like the video. So yeah, I'm gonna say bye now, and yeah.